Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Basically today's video will on IEX, our Indian Energy Exchange monopoly business. So I got lots of message from my friends ki made video on this because my friends holding this stock and some of them bought at this place, the top, and here some of my friends bought at this place, so they are fearful. Basically everybody will be fearful, but that's the main reason for making this video. So let's start. Okay, as you can see ki people, my friends and so many of so many guys are feeling fearful because of this fall. So for your kind information, this is not something new or something extraordinary what is happening. Every time this happens, and every time we have to accept it, okay? Because if you will see, you are just seeing, you guys are just seeing one thing ki market, it corrected by some 14%. You guys are seeing this 14% correction, okay? But you guys are not seeing this uh, what 126% run up. Who will see this? So so don't be, means don't be fearful, guys. That's don't panic and sell. Don't be out so quick. This will come. As you know, the guy who bought at this place, they will book profit na. Simple. So why you guys are so fearful about this? क्यों इतना डर रहे हो guys? Or simply, if we'll see कि this is not first time. Uh, you can see after this run up, after this run up, a pullback has came. अभी यहाँ पे ये 14% 10% के करेक्शन से, if you will be fearful, then you will sold at this point, right? You will sell it this point, then again you will miss this run up. You will miss this 126% run up, guys. This is not means, you hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say ki don't be panic seller. The main problem of the retail investors is the panic selling. They was not able to hold their stocks in negativity, in the dips. So that's what I am trying to say कि corrections हमेशा आएंगे. So you should be prepared for it. You can see this run up, this correction. You can see this run up, this correction, this run up, this correction. So don't be fearful, guys. And again, this is 126% run up. If you will see, 126% रिटर्न दिया है. 126% रिटर्न just in just 40 days. 1.5 मंथ्स में, 1.5 मीन 1.5 महीने में 126% रिटर्न अगर कोई कंपनी देगा, तो मिनिमम इट विल करेक्ट 25-30%. It will correct 25-30%. Yes, it's just it's corrected by 17% now, and it can correct more till this levels, maybe 25%. Yes, because why I'm saying till this level, because it has a pending gap. If you guys can see, it has a pending gap over here, okay? So gap, if the company has a good fundamentals, it have to fill the gaps na. So it will maximum, if you'll see by Fibonacci, you can see this from, if you'll see by how much it can fall more. So you can see, wait, mm, you can see from top to swing low. See guys, just wait. Right, correct. So where you can see the support level, you can see it 0.5. एज आई सेड इन माई लास्ट वीडियो कि 0.5 फिबोनाची का बहुत ही एक, इट्स अ वेरी क्रूशियल सपोर्ट लेवल. सो वाई यू गाइज आर सो मच पैनिक. इफ़ यू बॉट एट, यहाँ पे भी अगर खरीदा है, इफ़ यू बॉट एट टॉप ओनली, सो इफ़ 10% 20% के करेक्शन आने से कंपनी थोड़ी बंद हो रही है गाइज. सो वाई यू गाइज आर सो फियरफुल? क्यों इतना डर रहे हो? अभी देखो, ये 0.5 का लेवल है, इट इज़ अ 0.5 लेवल। सो यहाँ पे आएगा, ये गैप फिल करेगा, ये गैप फिल करने के बाद इट विल अगेन गो, क्योंकि मार्केट का मूविंग का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो ऐसा है, इट गोज लाइक दिस, नॉट लाइक दिस, स्ट्रेट मूव नहीं होता। सो डोंट बिहेव लाइक kids, and don't be panic on 10% 20% fall. It will come down, it will fill the gap, and again it will start their new run up. It may take some time, it may consolidate for some time. So what's the problem now? What's the problem? The first thing, if you are a short term trader, then you should buy at this point. That's your responsibility. And if you are an investor, so why you are worrying? Just bought, if you bought at this level na, just patiently hold it. The company will not give you loss, man. The IX is a monopoly business. Don't doubt on its fundamental. And the thing is कि हम इसको यहाँ से रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम दीज लेवल्स, हाँ 500 लेवल्स, 545 600 लेवल्स, और यू बॉट एट दिस प्लेस. We are recommending not to all, just few of our friends and few members. So if you bought at this place, how you can expect ऐसे सीधा सीधा तो नहीं जाएगा ना, you should wait for some time ना. So don't be panic, and इतना कुछ वो नहीं है, it will come down, it will fill this gap, and it will go again go up. So इतना डोंट बी इतना ओवर थिंक कि क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 10, अगर ऐसा 20% का रिट्रेसमेंट से कंपनी बंद हो जाती तो यहीं पे बंद हो जाती. देखो ये 14-15% का जब करेक्शन आया था, यू कैन सी दिस, इफ़ आई ड्रैग इट यू कैन सी कि इतना बड़ा फॉल आया था. तो उसके बाद ये मोमेंट आया ना, तो हाँ, तो अगेन थोड़ा सा फॉल आएगा तो अगेन इट विल गो अप ना. बेसिक सिंपल है. So why you guys are so much panic and messaging ये and वो? Don't worry, nothing will happen. This is just an profit booking. It will continue. It will मतलब थोड़े दिन और रहेगा ये, और then it will again go up. And you can see this is not, मतलब ये खाली एक ही स्टॉक में नहीं हो रहा है. If the whole sector is performing and only your stock is not performing, then it's a problem. But if you will see the great companies, if you will see the means giant companies like Deepak Nitrate, it fell by 15%. You can see because of gaps, the pending gaps, it filled this pending gap. And if you'll see Tata Alexis, it fell by 4%. If you'll see Jubilant and Grevia, this is a means beast company in chemical sector, processing industries, you can see the fall. If you'll see for wait, I'm showing further more companies. एशियन पेंट्स में फॉल आया. सो क्या क्या ये कंपनी बंद हो गए? ये फॉल आया थोड़ा सा 10-20% का, तो क्या कंपनी बंद हो गए? एशियन पेंट्स का पेंट बिकना बंद हो गया? सो तो थिंक लॉजिकली ना, व्हाई यू गाइस आर पैनिकिंग इन एवरी फॉल? हर फॉल में सब पैनिक हो जाते हैं, फिर वापस से जब भी मार्केट जाने लगता है ऊपर, वापस दे गाइस आर स्टार्ट बाइंग. You should take this fall as an opportunity. If you'll not, it's uh, then it's too hard for you guys for earn in this market. Take this as an opportunity and make make great profit. Just give time. If you'll give time, you'll definitely earn money. That's my sure. That's my surety for you guys. So don't worry. Don't think more. Don't be fearful. And I am also personally IRCTC. See guys, IRCTC को देखो. This is a monopoly Indian business or in railway line. It is in food delivery also. In देखो guys, monopoly business है. दो दिन में कितना परसेंट का फॉल आया? In 2 days 30% फॉल. तो क्या अब तो क्या हो गया? वो बंद हो गए, ट्रेन चलना बंद हो गए, या ट्रेन के कैंटीन का खाना बंद हो गया? सो अगर बंद नहीं हुआ है तो फिर ये रुकेंगे थोड़ी. अब भी थोड़ा कंसोलिडेट करेंगे, बट एट द एंड ये भी ऊपर जाएंगे ना गाइस. सिंपल है. जो करेक्शन होता है ना, वो रनअप पे डिपेंड होता है. अगर रनअप यहाँ से आपको 153% का रनअप मिला है बस 50 डेज में, 2 मंथ से भी कम में, तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल करेक्ट बाय 50%. जब भी कोई रनअप देता है ना, तो उसका 25% करेक्शन होता है. अगर 100 पॉइंट का रनअप दिया तो 25 पॉइंट का करेक्शन आएगा, 25 to 30 पॉइंट. So don't behave like a silly students, and don't be panic. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. mm, That's from my side. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed it.